Hi, I want to show you how to remap power button on Google Pixel 9a. For that, we need to start by going in the settings. So let's find settings first, open it up, and now scroll until you can see System tab. From here, just choose Gestures section, and then find Press and Hold Power button. So now you can switch from digital assistant to power menu, for example. And when you'll be pressing and holding power button, you will see this power off menu in which you can call emergency services, turn off your phone, and restart your phone. Or you can pick digital assistant and also just press and hold duration. You can adjust sensitivity by choosing how long to press and hold the power button. For example, let's set to the short option, and I'm gonna press and hold it. And as you can see, it opens Gemini really quickly. Let's set to the middle, press and hold. And now let's do the long option. So yeah, just select preferred option and try this out. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.